Welcome to Rowe Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with T. Rowe Price Mutual Funds. Review my usage experience. T. Rowe Price Mutual Funds Review My Usage Experience offers an overview and analysis of T. Rowe Price Mutual Funds. It's aimed at potential investors looking to understand the performance, fees, and overall suitability of these funds before making an investment decision. Key features would likely include fund performance data, expense ratios, portfolio holdings, and possibly comparative analysis against similar funds. Their website provides details on the various fund options available and their performance history. It aims for transparency in pricing and fees, highlighting the lack of hidden charges. The service positions itself as a resource for informed investment decisions, rather than providing financial advice. Availability is readily accessible through their website. Anyone can access information on the funds. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using T. Rowe Price Mutual Funds. Review my usage experience. I started by browsing their website, which was well organized and easy to navigate. I was specifically interested in their growth-focused funds, so I used their search filters to narrow down the options. The site presented clear and concise summaries of each fund, including key metrics like the 5-year and 10-year performance, expense ratio, and top holdings. I was impressed by the depth of data provided. It allowed for a truly informed comparison of different funds. I particularly appreciated the interactive charts visualizing the fund performance over time. The website's response time was consistently fast, and the information was always readily available. I didn't need to contact customer support, but based on their online resources, it seemed straightforward to do so if needed. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the data presented was, making it easy to compare different investment options. One minor drawback was the slightly technical language used in some sections of the website. A more simplified explanation for novice investors could be beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It provided the information I needed to make informed decisions about potential investments. That's my overview of T. Rowe Price Mutual Funds. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rowe Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.